Do you struggle to set boundaries, speak up at work, and be truly confident in who you are? Confidence is not something you're born with, it's something you build. And in this video, I'm going to tell you exactly how to do that. First, let's understand 3 reasons why you feel underconfident. Your childhood conditioning and early experiences. The things that you heard growing up, how you were treated, the experiences you had, all of this shapes how you see yourself today. If you were often criticized, not encouraged, your subconscious mind stores all those messages as limiting beliefs. And these limiting beliefs can keep you stuck in negative patterns of self-doubt. The way you process failures and mistakes. Your confidence doesn't break just because you fail. It breaks because of how you interpret failure. Whenever you make a mistake or fail, if you tell yourself, I'm unworthy and I'm incapable, then your confidence takes a hit. If you're underconfident, it's possible that instead of seeing setbacks as learning experiences, you see them as a proof that you're not good enough. Self-criticism. You have a habit of criticizing yourself, magnifying your mistakes and underestimating your abilities. Your brain has a mechanism to delete everything that you don't want to see, that's your success, past success, and show you only what you want to believe. Now that you understand where lack of confidence comes from, let's bust some myths about confidence. First, confidence is not about being right always. Confidence is being okay with making mistakes and willing to learn. Confidence is all about how much you accept yourself. It's deeply connected to your self-acceptance. If your ability to succeed defines your self-worth, then every setback feels like a personal failure. Failures are not breaking your confidence. Your perception of failure is breaking your confidence. When you couldn't clear that exam, clear that interview, didn't get that job, you told yourself, I am unworthy of this. I am not good enough. I'm not intelligent. And that broke your confidence. It's not the failure itself, but the meaning you gave to that and how did you attach that to your capability that broke your confidence. So how to build confidence? Let's look at some practical steps to rewire your confidence. Build self-trust. This is so simple, but not many people talk about this. Keeping your promises to yourself. If someone is making you promises, I'll come shopping with you, I'll send you that, this, and they're never doing that, the next time they say something, do you trust that person? And what opinion do you have about this person? You wouldn't like to hang out with such people, right? Exactly like that, if you tell yourself, I'll wake up early from tomorrow, I'll exercise from tomorrow, and you're never doing it, you start losing trust on yourself. You start becoming bitter about yourself, and it has a big impact on your confidence. So start keeping your small promises to yourself. Rewire your subconscious mind using neuroplasticity. Low self-worth thoughts and limiting beliefs were stored in your subconscious mind. So you need to access your subconscious mind and rewire them. Studies have shown that a person with high confidence has more active prefrontal cortex. That's your logical center of the brain, which is thinking logically, solving the problems, making decisions. And they have less active amygdala. That's your control center of the emotions. You need to calm your amygdala, take control of your emotions, and that boosts your confidence. It also reduces your stress. I have made a separate video on how you can reduce your stress by controlling your emotions. I'll leave the link somewhere here and also in the description. If you're looking for some help to build unshakable confidence, heal your self-worth, and love yourself just the way you are, welcome to Quantum Confidence. This is my 6-month group coaching program. In this, we build unshakable confidence using subconscious rewiring so that you can take fearless action. For the first 12 weeks, we do weekly live sessions to do deep work to break the loop of self-doubt and low self-worth. And for the next 3 months, we do monthly healing sessions to maintain this higher self. You can ask me questions in the WhatsApp group. It's a close-knit community of other people who are doing the same. So if you're ready to step into your 2.0 version, link is in the description, so come join me there. Okay, third way to build confidence is changing those negative self-talk patterns. Every time you have a limiting belief, challenge that belief by giving a proof that's opposite to that. Ask yourself, is this belief really true or is it coming from my past conditioning? Start talking to yourself kindly. Understand that no one is perfect. You are allowed to make mistakes. You are allowed to be imperfect. When you accept yourself just the way you are, the idea of making a mistake or getting something wrong will not scare the shit out of you. And it gives you confidence to be who you are. And lastly, use your nervous system. Your confidence is built on your past success. In the book Psycho-Cybernetics, the author writes, memories of past successes act as built-in stored information, which gives us self-confidence for the present task. But how can a person draw upon memories of past successful experiences when he has experienced only failure. It's somewhat comparable to the young man who cannot secure a job because he has no experience and cannot acquire experience because he cannot get job. So how do you build confidence if you have only experienced failures? Psychology has proved without a doubt that your nervous system cannot tell the difference between real experience and imaginary experience. So, using the power of visualization, you can rewire your subconscious mind. Inside Quantum Confidence, we are using visualization, meditation, Reiki, and a lot of tools to rewire your subconscious mind, to regulate your nervous system, and also working on your mindset to give a holistic shift to your mindset, to build that confidence and self-worth and step into that 2.0 empowered version of yourself. If you find this relatable, the link is in the description. If you have any doubts, you can DM me on my Instagram. My Instagram link is also in the description. So are you ready to build your confidence? If you like this video, like the video, share it with your friend. This small act of yours will help the algorithm push this video to more people who need this. And honestly, it also motivates me to bring more value to you. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.